How to add captions in Canva. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device, then on the searching bar, search for Canva. Once you go through the official website of Canva, make sure that you have logged into your account. Then choose a post in which you want to add a caption. Then on the left, you will see Elements option. Simply tap on it, and on the searching bar, search for captions. From here, you will see a lot of options. If you slide that slider, choose any one of them that you want to add while styling your captions. Once you choose it, you have to simply hit on that. Now you can also adjust it accordingly you want. Now for the text, on the left side you will see text option. Simply tap on it and add a text and adjust inside that caption box. Now you have to type whatever caption you like to type over here. Once you are done with your captions, you can also change the color if you want. Simply hit on the A button from the top and select the text and choose the color of the text whichever you want. In this way, you can easily add captions in Canva. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.